Suspects will go to some insane lengths to get away from the police, but very few will go as far as to jeopardize their own lives, like these daring getaway drivers.
Cross towards the median, trying to carjack somebody.
You're not allowed to stop me.
I am, because you match the description of a wanted fugitive, okay?
Okay, well, I'm not wanted.
Hey, ma'am, how you doing? Roll the window down. Hey, do you have your driver's license and registration on? Are you the RO of this vehicle? Can you state your name? Are you Alexandra? So it seems that you got a warrant out of Citrus County.
You're not allowed to stop me.
I am, because you match the description of a wanted fugitive, okay?
Okay, well, I'm not wanted.
Yeah, so they just confirmed she's wanted out of Citrus County, in-state pickup, out of Florida.
Now, don't you drive off.
No,
Don't you do it. Don't you do it.
St. John, she's taking off. She just got on the 95 northbound from 16. FHP's taking over lead, inside lane, northbound, 90 miles an hour.
I-2, pit.
He's running from John.
I got it. He needs help.
Here, come back here.
He tried to kill me last night.
Here, come back here. We'll talk to this guy. Hey, does John have any weapons right
No,
now?
well, yeah, there's probably knives and stuff in the house.
John carry a gun? Hey, John. What's going on right now?
He will fight back.
Hey, Tino, stop that car if he takes off.
We have one taken off. 20 is going to be an 8, David, William, 589, gold colored Nissan Versa.
Turn the car off now!
I'll be back in front of the mill and cooperative.
413, we're taking off again. We're going westbound on Shady. Northbound Havenwood.
Okay, tried to show some last night. And we're going to be going westbound on Ron. And he's going the wrong way for a second here. I'll be westbound Ron, and we have P3 unit bound 21.
This tire's coming apart. Across towards the median, trying to carjack somebody.
I copy. He's booked in a lane and there's units covering once the DOT.
He's trying to carjack a victim vehicle, holding on.
He's trying to carjack the victim vehicle. What's the description?
Bro, why'd you shoot that? Move forward.
EMS code 3, I-5 south, just south of Louise.
December 26, 2024, in Warren-Mohn County, a red Chevy Cruze sped past a squad car. Officers ran the license plate and discovered it was expired, prompting them to initiate a traffic stop. When officers instructed the driver to exit the vehicle, he sped off, kicking off a high-speed pursuit.
So the reason I stopped you is because the plate's expired on the car.
Yeah, I'm just coming from work.
Oh, yeah? Is this your car?
No, it's my girlfriend. I live down the street.
Do you have your license with you and
No.
registration?
I don't have my license.
Nothing? All right. Is your girlfriend's car?
Yeah, she down the street. She got her license.
Where at?
Oh, in the middle.
Okay. What I gotta have you do is just hop out for me real quick, man, just because you don't have your license on you, okay? No.
Black male, Indian bill with dreads. Taxi to small cars.
The suspect reached speeds exceeding 120 miles per hour, running red lights, blowing through stop signs, and even going off-road in a desperate bid to escape.
Up in the grass. Just parallel. All right. 1050 into a box truck. He's underneath the box truck. Airbags deployed. Let's shut this intersection down.
The chase ended tragically when the driver ran a red light and crashed into a Penske box truck. He was pronounced dead at the scene, and no one else was injured.
Still in drive.
Trying to get over the switcher now.
First still in drive. See a gun in on his lap.
What?
All right, let's wake him up.
County police! Don't move! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Let me see your hands up, police! Oh, let me see other hand! Keep your hand raised! Keep your hand up! Hands up! Police! Hands up! Keep your right hand up!
Watch that right hand. Put the gun down. Put the gun down. What?
Put your hands up! Unlock the door, put your hands on the steering wheel. No.
It's your gun, okay? It's in the car.
Let me see your hands. Put it in drive. Run. Put it in drive. Police. Hey.
Move that car.
Move. Hey.
Eight on a 3. Get 60, 1D to 270, Black Infinity. Virginia.
Crash. Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Oh, he ejected.
When Lawrence crashed into the barrier, he was thrown from the vehicle and landed